In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a portfolio to your Facebook profile. This is a simple way to showcase your work, your website, or any online portfolio directly on your profile, so anyone who visits can quickly see what you do. I'll walk you through each part of the process slowly and clearly, so feel free to follow along on your own Facebook account as you listen. First, open Facebook and go to your personal profile page. You can do this by clicking on your name or profile picture, usually found at the top of the screen or in the side menu. Once you're on your profile, look for the option that says Edit Profile or About. The wording can vary slightly depending on updates and whether you're on desktop or mobile, but it will be somewhere near your profile picture and cover photo. Click on that to open your profile editing options. Next, you'll see different sections you can customize, such as your bio, work, education, and more. Here, you want to find and click on the section labeled Links. This is where Facebook lets you add websites and other external pages connected to your profile. If you don't see it right away, scroll down a bit. It's usually listed with your contact and basic information. After opening the Links section, look specifically for the area called Websites, Blogs, Portfolios. This is the part designed for exactly what we're doing, adding your professional site, online portfolio, or any page that represents your work. Go ahead and click on that option to start editing. Now you'll see fields where you can type in your portfolio details. Enter the full URL of your portfolio or website, making sure it starts with HTTP or HTTPS so the link works correctly. You can usually add more than one link, so if you have multiple portfolios or a personal site and a blog, this is a great place to include them all. Take a moment to double check spelling and make sure there are no spaces or typos in the address. Once you've filled in your information, follow the on-screen prompts to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button and click it. After saving, go back to your profile and scroll down to confirm that your portfolio link now appears under your links section. That's it. You've successfully added your portfolio to your Facebook profile, making it much easier for friends, clients, or potential employers to find your work.